I coulda never farm fool, mama struggle too hard, yeah. Hey, Dan Mugabe, she say restless days in the street, just to ensure food always there yard. Yeah, well, you don't know this is Renegade, Jungle Fire Launch. You don't know Maximum Respect.
Yeah, man. So the man for stage, and trust me, the stage burn up.
Alright, but right now, it's just a musical vibration. It really high. It's really a high musical vibration where really there inside right now, you know what I mean? Where it's just a blessing from the most side, you know what I mean? And give thanks to each and everyone with the in and around the thing where support me, you know what I mean? Everyone, every single one I play a role, no prospect to the maximum. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
I notice you have been on Sting, and you know, I was there when it was 2000 what? 11?
2010.
2010. Yeah, man. And
Yeah, man.
the performance was great, high energy, and we always look forward to seeing your performance stage.
Yeah. Alright, well, it is Renegade. You know what I mean? And I'm from Newland. It's from Wheaton to Stoplight. It's the lion and the acre. So you know when the lion ready for roar, how that go. You know what I mean? So I mean, it's just a musical energy when time and place to everything. More than you're on the ends of vibe with the friends them and you know say joke and everything run and you know say you cook some food and vibe and everything. You know say when a stage show time, you know that's a part. That's a serious part of the work. A part of the serious part. You know what I mean? Performing for the people and everything, you know what I mean? And it's a joy, and it's always been a joy performing at Jungle Fire. So you don't know. Maximum respect.